What I have here with me is the latest cable from Effect Audio. They have had a lot of cables of late. The Signature series was launched a few months ago, but they want to refresh their lineup. The Cleopatra has been in the inventory for a while, but now they have refreshed it with Cleopatra 2. The short name is Cleo 2, Cleopatra 2. It has similar codes and stuff, but this time around, its attributes are slightly more pronounced, bigger stage, better details, and that kind of stuff. So, like with the signature series cables that I believe I had mentioned that too. Okay, so this is not the 4 core one. This is the Cleopatra Octa. This is supposed to be the more expensive one, priced at around I think 12 1300 or maybe $1,500. I was expecting the Clio 4 core. 4 core is the cheaper one that is priced at $1,000. This is more expensive than the 4 core. Octa is supposed to be a bit more expensive. I'm not exactly sure what is the exact price of this, but this cable is damn expensive. I believe 1200 $1,300 is not something we most of us can spend on a cable. Pristine sound of nature by the Nile, Cleopatra to Octa. This is supposed to come with Connex and Termex termination already. So yes, the octa core, the 8 core Cleopatra. So owner's manual. This is a very expensive cable. Let's see what are the stuff we are getting. I believe there should be a card. Owner manual. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm aware of how this Connex and Termex work. So no issues there. So this is a oof, wow, premium, super premium cable written all over it. Super premium. So you guys can see there are no jacks because we are getting the Termex with this. You use whichever you prefer. That's up to you. I'm going to use the Pentacon obviously, and there is the Connex connectors. Okay, only MMCX. Wow. Okay, so this one ships with the two of the most popular. This is MMCX, and the two pin connector is already connected here, so you guys can see Cleopatra. Wow, this is expensive cable, man. This is expensive, damn expensive cable. Effect Audio has been using this kind of connectors these days. This time around we are getting a proper case, even though this too isn't the most premium kind of case, but the finishing and stuff are of higher quality. Obviously this case on its own can be sold for 70 $80. Very premium. The inlays are soft too. There's some, this is basically padding, really good padding. This is not the most hard type. You guys can see these are flexible, more than flexible. This is pu leather, I think, and still of good quality. The material that the cheaper kind of belts are made of, this is that kind of material, but Finishing and stuff are good. I find it to be reasonably good. You guys can see the slight bit of no, it doesn't matter. This is a cable after all. This is not a very premium thing. This is a cable case, so this will pass. No issues with that. This is good. The Octa, man, oh man, this cable is expensive. Oof. You guys can see the glitter on this. This is the cable of the gods, really. This is the cable for the gods. Cleopatra was not a god, but was nothing less than a god either. So she was the most powerful person in the world back then. So this too can be considered as one of the best cable in the market as of now. Let's see how this sounds. I'll compare it with I do not have any cable that is this expensive, but I will compare it with something obviously. So let's see. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.